next component that we'd like to talk about is the coupler. This is doing exactly as it sounds. It's coupling the blower to the engine shaft. We're going to be running our engine at about 3,000 RPM, which is going to transfer into 3,000 RPM in our blower. Again, it's running at 80% of capacity, and that's what we want to get for our optimum performance. This coupler is very important to watch. There's a belt inside of the coupler. By removing 3 screws here on the top, you can slide this top shaft over, or this top cover over, which exposes the rubber belt that's inside. That rubber belt is designed to allow the machine to have a vibration, anything that's going to go on in a normal operation, and it buffers that so that it's not solid shaft running through there. There's actually room for it to actually move. Making sure that it hasn't gotten hard. It's very susceptible to heat, and over time that is going to deteriorate, and you will need to replace that coupler belt. The next major component on the 423S is the heat exchanger. The heat exchanger on the 423S is designed to capture the heat from our exhaust, both blower and engine exhaust. The diverter door is located right here. That will divert depending on your heat needs. Open, it will allow for the heat to bypass and go, or to actually go through the heat exchanger, the coil system down here. That's where it transfers to the fluid that we've got running through there. Or in the case of not needing the heat, a diverter door will actually close that heat off, and it'll go into a bypass mode where you're not going to grab any heat at all. The maintenance on the heat exchanger, it's very important. It's recommended here at HydroMaster to service that every 1,000 hours.